Hi friends, this is Andy from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the process to upgrade the RAM and hard drive of the Dell Vostro 3000 series of laptops. This is the 3558, which is the successor of the 3546 and 3549 that we are upgrading it to. So if this is the way your laptop looks like, the red or black variant, and this is the way your base looks like, then you can apply this process to it. The first thing is you need to flip the laptop. You need to remove the battery. This is where the battery is, and just need to push it towards the right and the battery will come out. Then you need to focus on these this entire compartment which is holding onto the RAM and hard drive. There's this one screw over here, another screw over here, which you need to remove. And you just need to take a minus screwdriver pin and you just need to protrude the compartment. Let's protrude it, it entirely comes out. So here is where the RAM area is, and the best part is it has got two DIMM slots. Even the dual core variants, this is the dual core variant which are opening. We were communicated that only Core i3 and Core i5 will have two slots, but even this dual core variant has two slots. That is a very good news. So the upgradability increases automatically to up to 16 GB. So this is where the RAM is placed. Another RAM, you can just take one more RAM slot and you can insert it. For removing this particular RAM, you just need to use your two thumbs, and there are these notches over here which you need to remove, and the RAM will give away. You need to take a DDR3 DDR3L SODIMM memory, low voltage 1600 MHz memory, Kingston or Xeon or AData, whichever brand is available near you, and just take it and just maybe you are inserting it in this particular RAM slot. Just put it like this, and with both your fingers just press it. So both these notches will hold on to that particular RAM. So coming towards the hard drive area, now this is a little tricky because the cable here is a very delicate cable. The process is absolutely same as the 3558, and you need to be very careful when you are removing your hard drive. So there are these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, before which we need to open this particular notch over here and loosen the cable. And then you need to just need to use this, remove the hard drive. Just need to remove this connector over here. This is the connector which holds on to the hard drive. And you need to open these 2 screws over here and 2 screws which are the hard drive compartment panels. Take a new hard drive, just put it back into it, put these 4 screws and fit the connector back and just put it back inside here. So fitting the connector is pretty straightforward. Simply insert it like this. Situate both the notches, put in fine and just press it like this. So you need to be very sure. So this is one part which they have made delicate in this particular laptop. You can see the Wi-Fi chip over here. You just need to use one screw to be removed from here and you can replace the Wi-Fi chip. Even the CMOS cell is very much placed over here. Just need to remove the cell like this. It just pops out. Very simple. This, my friends, was a video showing you the procedure to upgrade the RAM and hard drive of the Dell Vostro 3000 series of laptops. This is the 3558 that we have showcased. Hope you liked our video. Do let us know of your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us.